Welcome back to Will's Wheelhouse. Today we're going to be doing some work on a '08 Honda CRV. We're going to be replacing the right front wheel speed sensor and the lower ball joints. Make sure you jack the vehicle up properly, secure it with jack stands, and put chocks behind the rear wheels. For the lower ball joint, we're going to need to remove this cotter pin, loosen this nut, and remove these three fasteners. Now that we've removed the cotter pin, loosened the nut, smack it right here with a sledgehammer to bust the connection here free. This is a tapered shaft that goes into this knuckle, and we need to bring this down. So now it is free. We can now remove these nuts. And this should separate now. Now compare your old and new ball joints, make sure they are identical. The reason we're replacing this is this one is blown out right there, as you can see. Now when installing, you're going to want to put some blue thread locker on all three fasteners. Back in with the ball joint, make sure you tighten your three fasteners on the bottom, torque step per manufacturer, along with your nut, castle nut, and your cotter pin. Next, we're going to be working on the speed sensor. This item right here. On this wheel speed sensor, we're going to need to disconnect this connection here. Pop these clips and remove the fastener. Sensor. Next you have a clip. Another clip. Another clip back here. Installation is just reversed. Put your sensor in. Take your first clip. continue all the way down till you got your connections completed.